I'm Shiloh Powers, and I'm here at Anahola Beach on Kauai, Hawaii. And like many of you, I came out here for a vacation of sand and sun and beaches, and this trip wasn't quite like that. I want to take you around and show you a little bit about what the damage of this last storm has brought. All over this beach, which stretches for several hundred yards, all we see is this absolute disaster. This isn't the beach that people are coming for when they come to Kauai. So where exactly does all this debris come from? We found several pairs of flip-flops, or as they call them, slippers here in Hawaii, all over this beach. This is just a couple of many of them. This storm is bringing in a lot of the riverbank's edges, you know, where people are hiking. It's picking up all the stuff that people are leaving behind, bringing it right down here onto the beach. Today we have many roads that are closed for reasons such as this. With floodwaters rising, you're going to need a four-wheel drive to get through this one. It doesn't matter what kind of car you drive, even this Jeep right here with four-wheel drive didn't make it across the river. These trees right here are more than 50 years old, and they've withstood many windstorms and many rainstorms, but not this storm. Right here we have a giant piece of driftwood, and unlike the usual driftwood you see where you make picture frames and mirrors and little trinkets out of it, this piece of driftwood can only be moved by Mother Nature. We may not have sunshine, and we may not have warm weather, but these kids found out what you can do if you have a lot of sticks. I'm Shiloh Powers, and remember, when you're tired of the fake news, go to the Real News Network.